mission. Find the evil orange beast.
Dun dun dun.
Dun, dun, dun. Why do we have a koala?
Come with. We don't know why there's a koala with us. But join us on our journey. Let's go. Go. I know it's hard to see. An obstacle. We have to jump over it. Oh no. There's a pillow. Okay. I see it. I see it. No.
We're stalking the evil orange beast. You're in the way. You're in the way. Oh, you made it move.
No. We should find it again.
Gosh, Brooke.
That was the floor. Oh, I see it. I did. I went this way in the dark room. But it's too dark to see.
Mom, you're disrupting. Oh, see, our mission isn't working. Go over here.
Look, but he's right there. Right there. Where? Right there.
I can't
See him.
Oh. Oh.
I see the orange beast. Dun dun dun.
There's one right by the
I know.
Good night.
Okay.
Hello. You're moving on my shirt. It's orange beast.
Yeah, orange beast.
Okay, we'll leave it right there. We go to attack it.
Oh. They're communicating. Take me to your leader.
There's two of them. There are two of them.
You didn't know that?
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
I didn't see the other one. I'm coming. Follow me, Daisy.
Oh.
They're speaking.
I can only slide.
Ow!
Here's one. Hello.
I touched one. Oh dear. We're so close. I'm burning.
Oh, that's your hands. Oh.
They seem to be okay.
Let's go find the other one. Oh. What's wrong, Kitty? I mean, orange beast. Bye.
What are you doing? Going after the other. Oh, okay. Oh.
Hi, Kitty. I mean, orange beast. Hi.
I got it. Oh, you're so soft. You don't seem like a beast.
Oh. He's a furry beast.
But he attacked my friend. See if he does it again.
Oh no! No!
Hit that video. Kitty. Kitty. Oh, it's a nose. We succeeded in our mission to find the orange beast.
We tamed them.
Two of them. Goodbye, Bud. Kid Bud.
Kid Bud.
And there you have it.
They're calm now.
Yep. In the jungle, the mighty.
Your mom has to come out here.
Hi. Yes. Ew, don't lick my stuffed animal.
I didn't.
How do I stop it?